Hi Stage 2. This is this video to help you with the Morse code spelling activity for Thursday, which will be today by the time you see this. So what I've done is I've printed out my Morse code spelling chart that's going to show me how to write each letter of the alphabet in Morse code. I've put a heading that says Morse code spelling, and I've just written 4 of the words of the week, and I've written them from the red group. So here's how we go about writing our spelling words in Morse code. Yard starts with Y. So I go over here and I see that Y is dash, dot, dash, dash. So I'm going to go dash, dot, dash, dash. Make that one a little bit longer. And then I need to put a line so that I can tell that that is one letter. A is dot, dash. Dot, dash. R is dot, dash, dot. Line. And the last letter, D, is dash, dot, dot. Oh. That's how I write yard in Morse code. Y-A-R-D. Yellow. It's going to start with Y again. It's a good idea if you're doing this to leave a line. If you're using a workbook with lines, leave a line between the words that you write down, because it just gives you a bit more space for when these slashes between the letters come down a little bit on your page. Okay, yellow. So I know that the yellow is going to start with Y. And I'll just put my little line. E is a single dot. L is dot, dash, dot, dot. Need a line. Then I'm going to need L again because there's 2 L's in yellow. Then I need to find the letter O. I'll just move this up a little bit. Oh, 3 dashes. And W, dot, dash, dash. So I'm just going to check. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Correct. All right. New. K, dash, dot, dash. Little line. Whoops. A bit wonky. N is dash, dot. I need a line. E, I remembered from before, is a single dot. And W is dot, dash, dash. Used. Dot, dot, dash. For you. S is 3 dots. E is a single dot, that's easy to remember. And D is dash, dot, dot. And that's how I write my spelling words in Morse code. I'm going to, you'll see after this video that I'm going to hopefully be able to upload a little video which shows people actually using Morse code, because it was a way of sending messages a really long time ago, and it's actually faster than texting, and you'll be able to see that in the video that I upload. Hope you enjoy learning about Morse code and how to write your spelling words in Morse code.